Hello friends, welcome back to DataDesk Pro. This is our second session. I hope you have watched the first session completely and also practiced it. In the first session, we learned about tabs, ribbon, invoice templates, and basic Excel overview. Guys, please make sure you practice because practice makes perfect. Now let's move ahead and learn something new. Guys, you can see this file tab on your screen. Before this, we clicked on the new tab and learned about templates. Now let me explain some more basic and important information. When you click on the Open tab, you can see the files that you recently opened on your screen. Along with that, if someone has shared a file with you, you can see it in the Shared with Me option. You may ask, what is the Shared with Me? Friends, this is a very useful feature. If someone shared an Excel file with you through email, all those files will appear here. This is the power of Microsoft 365. You may think these are small things, but these features are very important if you want to increase your productivity and work speed. These small options will help you a lot. Now, when a workbook opens, you can see a folder icon next to it. When you click on this folder icon, you can see all your recently used folders. So guys, if you want to open a file or a folder, you can do it in just one click. Now let me tell you a bonus tip. When you open a folder, you will see a star icon like this. If you click on this star, this folder becomes your favorite. This folder will stay at the top until you remove it. For example, if you work in sales, marketing, or any department, you may use one folder again and again. Instead of going to D drive another folder, just start that folder. Next time open Excel, click on the folder and your work is done. Guys, this saves a lot of time and increases your speed. These are inbuilt features of Excel. If you feel you are using an old version, please upgrade software. New software gives you new features. In coming session, I will also explain AI-based features. Remember one thing, you cannot expect Mercedes feature in a bullock cart. So please update your software. I will always teach you the latest feature so that for the next 5 to 10 years, your job and career stay safe. Gu- Guys, now I hope workbook and folder options are clear to you. One more very important feature is the search option. If you do not remember where your file is saved, just type the file name in the search box. Excel will find the file immediately. Guys, earlier people used to search in C drive, D drive folders again and again. Now there is no need to do that. Just use the search option only. After that, we already discussed shared with me. Now talk about OneDrive. You may have heard about Google Drive. In the same way, Microsoft has created OneDrive. OneDrive is an online storage. You can save your file on OneDrive. For example, you create an invoice at home and save it on OneDrive, and later you go to office or travel somewhere. You can open and edit the same file from any laptop or system and MacBook. You just need internet only. So OneDrive is like an online pen drive. Next option is this PC. This means file storage on your computer. This is not a new feature, but it is good to know. Next option is a add a place. You can add those shared drive and save file there. For example, your manager may say save the file on the shared drive. You can do that using this option. Guys, last option is browse. When you click on browse, you can open a file from any location on your computer. So guys, in this session we learned open option and recent file, folder access and favorite folder, shared with me, OneDrive, this PC, add a place, and browse option. On DataDesk Pro, we try to explain even the smallest detail because you never know. An interviewer may ask, what is the shared with me? And what is the add a place? That's why this knowledge is important. And thank you very much for watching this video completely. I request you to practice all these options and make your own notes, and also share 2 or 3 learnings in the comment box below, and meet you in the next session. Thank you so much.